Hey guys, I thought I would show everybody my 89 S13 hatch with an Rb25. I just painted the aero kit on it. It's an origin kit. I eyeballed it as close as I could with the paint match since the car was repainted before I got it. I have yet to wet sand and buff those bumpers, but then again, it is my drift car, so I'm not looking for perfect. I'm just trying to be, nice, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, anyways, it's an 89 hatch. I bought it as a shell about 2.5-3 years ago, I would say. Like I said, I just painted the bumper, so don't, make fun of me too much. I'll do a quick little walk around. A couple of my friends keep telling me to record the car. I know it could use 180 taillights. It would look a lot cooler, and I will get those eventually. This is how the car sits right now. Those are 17 by 9.5. I am running a believe it was 25 millimeter spacer in the front with negative 5.5 degrees of camber in the front, 0 in the back. Those are 300CX brake kit and a 5-lug conversion from an S14. The interior is just basic NRG bucket seats, fire extinguisher, of course. The rear end is gutted. I'll get to that in a second. Could use a nice vacuum and stuff, but right now I'm still sort of dailying it here and there. I do take the cushions out to sit lower, which 240s have that bump right there that a lot of people cut out to make the seat sit lower, but I just don't want to cut anything. This is a autographed steering wheel by Mr. BR. He sent that out to me per order, of course. That's also a BR rev limiter down there. I don't use that anymore since now the vehicle has a ECU master. Right now it's running on the stock ECU. I'm waiting for them to ship it back to me from repairs. I have this little fancy, not so fancy Chinese gauge. It tells me my oil pressure, coolant, that's in Celsius, and volts, wideband. Just extend the shift knob. Let's get to the rear end that I was talking about. So the battery is relocated. It's Walkaround 255 fuel pump. If you're asking me what this black stuff is, that's POR 15. It's a marine paint. Very good stuff for rust. And if you're gonna use it on the exterior where the sun can get through like this, you gotta UV protect this so it doesn't chip away. So that's the whole deal with that. That's a 3-inch straight pipe. Pop the hood here. Okay, if you notice right away, the hood opens all the way. That would be the, people call it the Honda hood mod. Basically, this bracket down there, I just cut the tabs off and then I can lean the hood all the way back. But here's my Series 2 Rb25. That's out of a R33 Skyline. Koyo radiator. I have fans in the front, intercooler. It's just basic bolt-ons, intercooler, piping, filter until I get an intake. Right now it's running on the mass airflow sensor until I get my ECU back. That's just screamer flight. If you're wondering why the car's a little louder, because it has fumes coming out of that. That's a Freddy intake manifold with a LS coil pack conversion, which you can get on Wire Specialties. The whole harness is a Wire Specialty. The actual harness is really old, but the new stuff looks a lot nicer and cleaner. That's the intake air temp sensor for the ECU master. These are BC Racing coilovers. They're 10K in the front, 8K in the rear for spring rates with custom valving. I love them. I'd get BC any day again. But yeah, that's the engine. You can hear it. Runs pretty good on the stock ECU. Yeah, that's about it. I know I'm missing a lot of stuff, but if you guys have any questions, please comment and I'll make another video, or I'll just answer your question.